understand the pulse of the station masters. So that's why the Station Masters Association is working in all the 68 divisions of Indian Railways, plus including the Konkan Railway. Because the first time the membership in the Konkan Railways, they have to know and understand what is the need for these associations. So now the association is going on the smooth way with all of your support. On behalf of the Central Executive Committee, I wish all the success of the grand AGM of the Western, zonal BGM of the Western Railway and the AGM of the BRC divisions. So our senior DM sir is very much busy time. So just I take 5 minutes only, sir. Now the association is the lockdown period. We are agitation in the lockdown, so many programs. Dawn to Hunger Fast, Candlelight Program, demonstrations, memorandum to Senior DOM to Chairman Railway Board. So all the things we had delay for our some of the issues. First of all, the issue of our night duty allowance. So the night duty allowance from the fourth pay commission from itself, Jagannath Mishra Commission, they had implemented the special allowance for the night duty staff. Why? Because everybody to know the problems of the night duties. Night duty means whatever the station masters night duty and other department people night duties. But the station itself, the station master from the 22 hours to the 6 hours, he is performing the night duty without to close his eyes. What about the other department people? If anything is happened, the signal department, signal failure is happened, what will happen? The station master or the staff of the railway stations to go and wake up the ESO. What about other staff? Mechanical staff or other departments. So I don't go further for other departments. So the station master itself, they are sitting, they are watching, they are moving, they are running the trains without any deviation or without any delay. From the Jagannath Mishra Commission report, they have given that is not a compensatory allowance, that is an allowance. That is not at all depend upon any other allowance. Those the staff, they are performing the night duties, they are eligible for the night duty allowance. Just to go through the IG's office or accounts office or any other office, they are performing the night duty means they are clerk only. The clerk is basic pay is only 2,800 or 1,900 or 2,400 or only. But the pay, the DOPT order is come. Immediately the railway board has implemented the wrong interpretation of the night duty allowance. Now the zonal organizing secretary is already asked what is the progress of the night duty files. From that onwards, that is the 11th September, the railway, the DOPT has issued an order. Immediately, the railway board has implemented the order for the denying or the sealing of the night duty allowance and the recovery from 1/7/2017. From the date onwards, the association is fighting against the denial and the sealing of the entitlement of NDA and the recovery. The last bit, we had taken all the legal remedies and everything. We approached 2 or 3 times our central office payers from the Delhi, approached the railway board. The last, the railway board has seek a clarification from the DOPTs. Actually, every department has their own some implementation of the rules. But the wrong interpretation by the railway board, the pay commission, the same person now again sitting in the, because we know everybody to know MACP for the level 9 for the station masters. So the Central Railway has sought a clarification from the railway board about the station master is whether the station master is eligible for the MACP level 9 or not. Immediately they have put the order that the station masters are not eligible for the MACP for the level 9s. But the continuous effort by the 2 years, 2.5 years, our association is got the order from 25 to 2020. The station masters are eligible for the MACP level 9. But same thing, the order is come some anomalies because the pay commissions came from 1/1/2016, but they had implemented the order from 16 to 2018 because the railway board has given the clarification that the recruitment rules is changing by change only 16 to 2018. So that's why the station masters are eligible for the MACP from level 2000 from level 1916 to 2018. But again we approached the railway board, the same department, the pay commission, they had sought the clarification from the DOPT. Now they are agreed. The station masters are eligible for the MACP level 9 from 1/1/2016. Definitely, I promise you, before our central BGM, the order will come from the station masters are eligible for 1/1/2017. Because that's why, at any anomalies, the station masters category, nobody is to bother about the station masters category, only bother about our association itself only. So that's why the NDA case means again we approach the central principal administrative tribunals. But we have one example from our side, because the running allowance case, now it is the pending of the Delhi High Court. We approached the court, immediately the DOPT or the railway board has given one direction. It is in the court, so waiting for the court judgment. So that's why the Central Executive Committee is decided, we wait for 2 or 3 months or 4 months, then only to be approached the Central Administrative Tribunals. So that's why our the running allowance case, because our ambition, our the legend, the leader, Shivan Pillai's ambition is the running allowance is the birthright of station masters. Our senior because he is already told the station master is the center of the our railway with the train movement. Yes, sir. We are running the trains. So that's why we are eligible for the running allowance. We don't want any mileage allowance or kilometer allowance. Or we want only the running allowance. Why? Because we are controlling the movement of the trains. Already the court has instructed that the movement means a synonym of the movement means the running. Who is to run the train? The station master is to control the movement of the train. Why? What's authority to proceed? Who is the empowered to the authority to proceed? The station master is the empowered person to control the authority to proceed. What is the authority to proceed? To control or movement of the next block station. What is the authority to proceed? That is LSS. Who is to control the last of signal? Station master is only to control the last of signals. So that's why the cases are pending on the court. So that's why it is a delay. So 2 or 3 years or one day or tomorrow or next year, definitely we will achieve the running allowance case. So just to imagine it, from the 1981, at the time of the central body, the Shivan Pillai charted the 14 demands. One of the demand is a good uniform for station masters. I don't know, Senator Saris know very well the station master's uniform. because we conducted a program in the boat club of Delhi. One of the station master from the Mysore division of the previously that is the Southern Railway, now it is Southwestern Railways. He wore the uniform just like a jockey man, because his pant is only just type of Bermuda and just his shirt is only just type of this. But after the 40 years, now the last pay commission agreed and the station master is got the dress allowance of 10,000 rupees, just to know the comparative, because the continuous effort only we can achieve all the demands. So that's why the NDA definitely we will achieve it. Don't worry. After that only because we are trying before, because I think the next week we are trying to meet the German Railway Board member, now the member traffic and DGHR, because everybody is agreed, but only already they sought the clarification from the railway DOPT, so that's why the delay. Now the file is on the expenditure section of the DOPT. They are also the MISF also agreed, so they are taking the issue separately for the railway payments. So these are the demands of the station masters, and now we are trying for the 0% vacancy in the cadre. Now just to go through, around 39 station masters in the total strength of the Indian Railways. Now around 8,000 station masters vacancies are available in all over India. I am working at the Palakkad division. My division is the vacancy portion is 22%. Because lot of station masters they are now applying for VRS or medically decategorized or something and retirement, because the 2021, 2022, 2023 a bulk retirement from the cadre of the station masters. So that's why our vacancy portion is around to 7,000 or 8,000 now. But now the railway board has already instructed all the zonal headquarters to complete the drive of the GDC and LDC. But I don't know what is happening in the west. We are Vadodara division. Some of the division started the recruitment process of the GDC and LDC. So to fill up the vacancy at the intermediate. The recruitment at the RRB now just started from 15th December, but it may be completed only June itself only. So the cadres come on the after light training and training and light training and everything is taken on September or October itself only to the fresh candidates. So that's why, so respected senior dancer please to take initiative to fill up the vacancies of the BRC divisions, because and to give a role model of the senior DOM of Indian Railways. Now just our, because now senior dancer is available in some of the trade union style speaking is very problem. So sir is also the wing of the administrative wing, the government of India, so that's why I don't go through that side. Only the organization 2 or 3 sentences. Now the Western Railway is conducting this the AGM, zonal BGM and the VRs in the grand manner. So every zonal general body meeting or the general body meeting of the division or zonal, it is a celebrations. Because it's a get together. The members, the station masters all over the Western Railway to come and meet and share their views and feelings, new ideas, suggestions for the smooth functioning of our not only our organizations but also our railway also. Why? Because we are the center bone of the railway system or the movement of the trains. If anything is happened or anything is come from, the station master is held up, So that's why the totally the railway has come. Because everybody to know and understand one thing only. The station master's motto is serve the nation. At the same time, we have to observe the adequate distance. So that's why station master, if anything is happened, immediately this affected by the railway. Because we are the frontline staff, we are the coordinator of the all the departments of the Indian Railways, the stations. So that's why we are the frontline managers of the Indian Railways. So once again, I thanks to all of them, and 1 or 2 minutes for our organization setup. So the Central Executive Committee is ambition, direction to the all the zonal bodies, all the divisional bodies, all the branch bodies. Effective communication is the best way to develop any organizations. Without communication, nothing to come. We have a lot of communication facilities are available. WhatsApp or Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Now new social medias come on signature. So you have to utilize all the things and the effective communication. At the same time, now there's a general body of our organizations. You have to criticize the leadership of the zonal body, divisional body, and at the central body, 2 members are available also. You have to criticize and give valuable suggestions. And at the same time, the branch secretary is the vital man for any organizations. So I don't communicate with the directly to the members or from the bottom level to the secretary general or the bottom level members. The Central Executive Committee take up only the policy matter of the station masters and the cadre. The Zonal Executive Committee take some other agenda this has not settled in the division level. The Divisional Executive Committee has to take up the issues with the branch level. So that's why the branch secretary is to communicate each and every member of our organizations. The branch, so that's why he has the vital role to develop, improve the working pattern of the station masters from the bottom level. So he has to communicate. Some of the station masters some personal problems. Some of the station masters some safety hazard problems. Some of the station masters have some family problems. So some of the station masters another problems. So this branch secretary is to communicate and to collect the details from the members and to counsel the members if anything is happened. Sometimes as a failure is come, some station masters are worried about the failure. So we have to go some adjustment for the SNT department. So the SNT people has come ready to form for the loopholes because they want this month, the December months or January months, they want to know failure accommodation. So that's why they are ready to come for the loop points. So one of my requests to cadre members, don't go for this type of shortcut methods. If anything is happened, you take your own time. Nobody is to question you because you have some ideas. Otherwise, the anxiety people is to come and ask for some shortcuts. We have some. So that's why in every branch meeting, you conduct the branch meeting at the same time you have to conduct the safety meeting itself also. In Southern Railway, this is one of the habit for the every branch meeting of the all the divisions. So that's why the station masters, the officers come to the ready to come to the station. Just they ask for them the TA or SMR, who is the persons to performing the night duty so and so